Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your ENVIROSUITs in Icarus. Now if you are wondering what an ENVIROSUIT is, pretty much right here on the ENVIROSUIT section over on your inventory, this is the most basic ENVIROSUIT that you're going to be using when you're starting off the game for the very first time. Now if you do want to change that, go over to the orbital exchange interface right here. You can find the blueprint for this over on the tech tree at the tier 2 right after the contact device, as you can see right here. Now inside the orbital exchange interface, press over to request equipment. And inside here, go over to the workshop. If you have rent to spare and some exotics to spare, you should go over to the ENVIROSUIT section right here. Now as you can see, I've already managed to research a few ENVIROSUITs from the first one all the way here to the fourth one. Now how this pretty much works is, as you can see, let me just try to learn this, is that when you choose an ENVIROSUIT inside this tree, you first have to do the research for it. Once you're done researching it, you can then use your rent to craft it. Now let me just press right here so I can show you how to do the research. Once I press left click, it will say research this ENVIROSUIT for 100 pieces of Ren. Now since this one is pretty much already research, let me craft this one by pressing left click, and it should have been delivered into my inventory. If I go to the loadout right here, you can find it inside, as you can see right here in the your items section. Now once you've got your new ENVIROSUIT here, place it over to the dropship cargo and then press request. And then you have to wait for the cargo to land to the surface and then approach it. Once the cargo has landed, press F to interact with it and you should see your ENVIROSUIT, as you can see right here. Hover this over to ENVIROSUIT right here, and you should have changed the ENVIROSUIT. As you can see right here, it's now Sigo Heart S5 environment, and by using this exosuit, I now have plus 10 physical resistance, 2 suit module slots, plus 1 oxygen slot in the suit, and 1 water slot in the suit, and then finally minus 5% perceived threat while stealth. And that's pretty much about it on how to change your ENVIROSUIT in Icarus.